Hi everybody! Today our activity is going to be making maracas. So a maraca is an instrument, and it is a percussion instrument that musicians use to keep rhythm. And I like instruments because I like to sing. The items that you will need to use today is a plastic egg, washi tape or regular tape, 2 plastic spoons, and some rice. We're going to start with the plastic egg. Pop it open. We're going to add in our rice. Don't forget to have your parents assist you with this activity, as it can be a little challenging, even for me. So you're going to hold the 2 plastic spoons together around your egg. You're going to get your tape. You're going to start off with taping it around. Just grab onto that and just make a nice circle. And then I like to add some color, so I'm going to get my washi tape here. Peel off there. Got a nice polka dot tape around here because I love polka dots, and you can do it as many times as you want to be decorative. And then on the bottom you're going to do the same thing to hold the end of your spoons together. Just going to go around. You can go around the whole thing. You just be creative. And you're done. There's your maraca. So now I have 2 maracas that I'm going to use, and I get to sing with and make some music. Do you hear that? Do you hear the rice? I hope you enjoyed that video, and I can't wait to hear the music you make with your maracas. Bye!